Why don't travelers trust the jungle? Because it's always lying. Welcome to our journey today, folks. Today we'll be embarking on a thrilling expedition, diving deep into the heart of a secret paradise. A place where stunning visuals and unique experiences are the norm, not the exception. We're talking about the hidden gem of Brazil, Lençois Maranhenses, a land of rippling sand dunes, crystal-clear lagoons, and a culture as vibrant as its landscape. Ready to uncover the secrets of Lençois Maranhenses? Buckle up, it's going to be an unforgettable ride. Ever heard of a desert that's not really a desert? Welcome to the paradox that is Lençois Maranhenses. Now let's delve into the heart of this paradox. Lençois Maranhenses, located in the northeastern part of Brazil, is a unique geographical marvel that defies conventional desert norms. Instead of barren, dry landscapes, this desert is a surreal panorama of vast white sand dunes interspersed with crystal-clear freshwater lagoons. Yes, you heard that right. It's a desert, but it's also a watery wonderland. The lagoons of Lençois Maranhenses are not a year-round phenomenon, though. They are born from the generous rainfall that the region receives from January to June. As the rainwater collects in the valleys between the dunes, these enchanting lagoons come alive, reaching their fullest, most vibrant state around July. So if you're planning a visit, this is the best time to witness the spectacle of nature in its full glory. But what's even more fascinating is the life that thrives in these temporary bodies of water. Despite the harsh conditions, several species of fish inhabit the lagoons. How, you may ask? Well, it's a little mystery that nature keeps to herself. Some say the fish eggs are carried by birds. Some say they lie dormant in the sand, waiting for the rains to hatch. Either way, it's a testament to the resilience of life in the most unlikely places. Beyond the aquatic life, the sand dunes themselves are a sight to behold. They can reach up to 40 meters high and stretch out as far as the eye can see, creating an otherworldly landscape that's straight out of a fantasy novel. And when the sun begins to set, casting long, dancing shadows over the dunes and turning the water into a mirror reflecting the twilight sky, it's nothing short of magical. It's a sight that will leave you spellbound, a moment frozen in time that you'll carry in your heart long after you've left. But there's more to Lençois Maranhenses than its stunning lagoons. Let's dive deeper. Now, let's take a detour into the bustling local life. Just a stone's throw from the heavenly white sand expanse of Lençois Maranhenses lies the vibrant town of Belle. This lively gateway town is a hub of culture, brimming with the spirit of northeastern Brazil. It's a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the Rio Preguiças, and where the people are as warm as the tropical sun. One of the best ways to soak in the local culture is through the mouth-watering local cuisine. Here, the dishes are as colorful and diverse as the landscape itself. Take arroz de cuca, for instance. This traditional Maranhão dish combines rice, dried shrimp, and the tart leaves of the vinaigreira plant, creating a fusion of flavors that dance on your tongue. And let's not forget peixe frito, freshly caught fish, seasoned to perfection and fried to a golden crisp. It's a simple yet tantalizing treat that you simply cannot miss. When it comes to accommodation, Belle offers a range of options that cater to every taste and budget. If it's luxury you're after, then the Porto Preguiças Resort is your go-to. Nestled on the banks of the Rio Preguiças, this resort offers a blend of comfort and natural beauty that's hard to resist. For those seeking a more rustic experience, Encante do Nordeste provides cozy bungalows amidst lush greenery, offering an authentic taste of the local lifestyle. But Barreirinhas is more than just food and lodging. It's a place where every day is a celebration of life. It's the laughter of children playing in the streets, the hum of conversation in the marketplaces, the strumming of guitars as the sun sets. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to savor each moment, to become a part of the local rhythm. After indulging in the local flavor, it's time to explore the hidden wonders of this paradise. Ready for some adventure? Let's plunge into the hidden gems of Lençois Maranhenses. If your heart yearns for an adrenaline rush, Lençois Maranhenses is your playground. Picture this, slicing through the winds, gliding over the radiant lagoons, and experiencing the thrill of kite surfing in the vast white dunes. It's not just a sport, it's a dance with nature, an exhilarating ballet of wind, water, and sand. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The undulating dunes of Lençois Maranhenses also offer a unique opportunity for sandboarding. Imagine hurtling down the dunes, feeling the rush of the wind against your face, and the sand beneath your feet. It's like snowboarding, but with a tropical twist. Now, let's shift gears and head towards the Praguicas Lighthouse. This towering beacon of light offers a panoramic view of the surrounding beauty. You'll feel like you're on top of the world, gazing at the expanses of sand, water, and forest stretching out to the horizon. But what's adventure without a dash of local culture? The charming villages of Atenas de Caribe offer just that. Here you'll find a blend of simplicity and beauty. With their narrow sandy streets, rustic houses, and smiling inhabitants, these villages add a touch of authenticity to your adventure. They serve as reminders of the harmonious coexistence between the grandeur of nature and the simplicity of human life. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about the night sky. The minimal light pollution in Lençois Maranhenses offers a breathtaking view of the star-studded sky. It's the perfect ending to an adventurous day, lying on the cool sand, gazing at the twinkling stars and soaking in the tranquility of the night. As the sun sets on our adventure, remember Lençois Maranhenses is a paradise waiting to be explored. As all good things come to an end, so does our journey through Lençois Maranhenses. We've wandered through a pristine paradise, a place where the desert marries the sea in a unique blend of sand and water. We've unveiled the hidden wonders of this secret haven, from the stunning lagoons to the rolling sand dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. We've tasted the local flavors, indulging in the culinary delights that make this region unique. We've discovered the warmth and hospitality of the locals, who welcome travelers with open arms and stories ready to share. There's so much more to Lençois Maranhenses than meets the eye. The beauty of this place lies not only in its landscapes, but also in its culture, its people, and its heart. It's a place where every corner holds a new adventure, where every moment is a memory waiting to be made. So pack your bags, tie your shoelaces, and set your wanderlust free. Come visit Lençois Maranhenses. Experience the unique blend of desert and water, indulge in the local cuisine, and uncover the hidden gems that lie in wait. And remember, travel isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the people you meet, the foods you taste, the sights you see, and the memories you make. So come, make your own memories in Lençois Maranhenses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below telling us which part of Lençois Maranhenses you're most excited to explore. Until next time, keep exploring.